What do you do every day? I wake up at 6 o'clock. I turn off my alarm. I get out of my bed. I open the curtains.
I make my bed. I stretch at home. I meditate every morning. I check my phone. I go to bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I wash my hands. I take a shower. I dry my hair. I moisturize my face. I get dressed. I make tea or coffee. I prepare breakfast. I have breakfast. I put on my shoes. I leave the house. I go to work. I work on my computer. I attend meetings. I take a lunch break. I have lunch. I finish work. I go home. I meet friends for coffee. I cook dinner. I have dinner with family. I spend time with family. I watch television. I take the dog for a walk. I brush my teeth again. I turn off the lights. I fall asleep.